To maintain stability of the blade when finishing, it's common to rough all instances to a certain depth, exposing the upper stripe of the blades, and semi-finishing and finishing that stripe before roughing to the next depth. While this process was supported previously, the finished blades showed marks between the stripes. The enhanced approach resolves this by assuring a perfect tool alignment between stripes, assuring a match of start and end points between stripes, supporting the zig as well as helical pattern, and allowing smooth transitions between stripes by creating flares. The multi-stripes range type is new. This option allows you to define a top, intermediate, and bottom stripe type, each specifying the percentage of the blade to be machined. To compensate for blade flexibility and tool wear, you can overlap the cut areas of adjoining stripes to provide smooth transitions. In this example, we'll use blade finish operations that machine the specified global range of the blade. We'll begin by copying and pasting the operations into subprograms. Next, we'll specify multi-stripes as the range type and define the appropriate stripe type for operations in each subprogram. Each subprogram corresponds to a stripe on the top, intermediate, or bottom section of the blade. Each subprogram consists of a semi-finish and finish operation covering the corresponding stripe. Multi-stripes is available only when the depth mode is set to interpolate from shroud to hub. The global start and end percent should stay the same for all operations. The stripe start and end percent values allow you to determine the amount of coverage for each stripe. You can overlap stripes by controlling the stripe start and end percent. You can stop the finish passes above the subsequent semi-finish passes by controlling the end percent. For the helical pattern, you can turn the finish passes on and off at the beginning for the top stripe and at the end for the bottom stripe. You can define as many intermediate stripes as needed. Together with variable offsets, you can use the new Custom Offsets option to create flares to assure smooth transition between overlapping stripes. Once you have specified the machine process, you can create a template to reuse the program.